Hi students, my name is Jennifer Cornett and I will be your professor for the June session of Math 098. This is an online course, so you will need frequent access to the internet. I wanted to send you this video just to quickly introduce myself and introduce the class to you. This is the course syllabus, however it is subject to change. We are still a couple weeks out before the class begins on June 8th, but for the most part, this will be your course syllabus. I will also send this as a PDF document to you in the same email that I will send this video link. We will communicate a lot through the Remind app. Hopefully you've used this before with other classes or maybe a church group or a social group. You do not need to download the Remind app to your smartphone, but if you can send a text message to the number 81010 and in the body of the text message type the @ symbol, the letters MTHS, and the number 098. That will connect you with me, and then I can send out group text messages and you can reply to a group text message, but it will only come back to me, not to your classmates. Okay, the table in the middle of the screen, that is our schedule that we will follow. June 8th, we will begin class and your first unit will open. And then you can see here the other dates of June 12th, June 18th, June 25th, and July 1st. Those are all unit exam dates. And then the final exam will be on July 2nd. Okay, this part of the syllabus, I wanted to just run through some basic course information. If you have any questions or if I've skipped something that you wanted to hear more about, please just send me an email back. This is an online class. It's divided into 4 units that you can see right here. This is a self-paced class, and you will complete these unit modules at your convenience each week. There will not be a common meeting time. All of your assignments will be posted on Moodle. Each unit is divided into 4 to 6 sections. Each one of those sections has an assignment sheet posted on Moodle that I will explain to you probably in another video. But those give you the topics, lecture videos for you to watch, examples for you to read in the book, example problems for you to work through, all on the same paper. And again, it's 1 per section, and you will access those through Moodle one at a time. So for example, you can't open section 1.2 until you've opened the assignment sheet for 1.1. And that's all set up in Moodle, and I may even make a separate video for that as well. Your grade will be a combination of homework, grades, 4 unit exams, and a comprehensive final exam. One of your first homework grades will be a one-on-one Zoom meeting with me. This gives me an opportunity for me to introduce myself to you and to get to know you a little bit as we're taking this class together. Math can get really tricky sometimes, and I want you to know that just because this is an online course, it doesn't mean there's not a real breathing person available to help you. And so we will be setting those up the first week of class. I will send you more information about that. And I will be having virtual office hours via Zoom each week. Those hours are posted at the top of this syllabus. I am also available 7 days a week through text message. Again, through that Remind app, you can just respond back to a message, or through email. Between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., you can expect a response back within 5 hours. Any messages sent after 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'll get back with you the following day. I also want you to know that Math 098 is a pass-fail course. This course will not count towards your math requirement, your degree program at Lee, and it will not satisfy your math requirement for graduation. All right, next, I'm not going to take time to read through all of this because I'm going to send you this document, but each unit has specific times where the homework is open and when the homework is due. Your homework will be through the website WebAssign. You will be able to access WebAssign through our Moodle page. You'll just click on the link and it will automatically open the WebAssign page. You will not have to have an additional login and password for that website. It will all be integrated together. These 2 tables are telling you are the opening and closing time for each homework unit. The first unit I'm actually going to have available 2 days prior to class starting in case you wanted to start on a little early. It'll be Saturday, June 6th at 7 a.m. and I will have the Moodle available for you as well. Homework is due at 7 o'clock in the morning the day of the test, which those test dates were above, but I also have them in the green table. Look at number 4. In addition to lecture videos and examples from your book, I have recorded homework help videos for you. These are actual homework questions from WebAssign that you will come across, and I have worked about 4 to 6 problems per section in this class, and those are available on Moodle as well. And let me tell you a few more things before this video gets too long. Some of you have already asked me about the exam times. Point your attention to number 2 here. There will be 2 exam times for each exam to accommodate your schedule, whether you're at work or taking other classes. And prior to the first exam, you will need to select if you're going to be a morning test taker between the hours of 8:30 a.m. and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or an evening test taker, which is between the hours of 5:30 p.m. and 7 p.m. I expect that you'll be sitting in an upright chair at a table or a desk while you're testing. You may not talk to anyone while you're testing or leave the view of the camera while taking a test, but you can contact me through text message if you're stuck on a question during the test. And if for some reason you will need to miss a scheduled exam date, I do need to know that 24 hours prior to the scheduled date. And a proper excuse would be something like a sickness or a funeral or some other kind of emergency. And if I do approve that as a reasonable excuse, I will provide an alternative time for you to take the test. If you miss the test because you slept in or you simply forgot about it, you will receive a 0 for that exam grade. Okay, here in the blue box, this is how the grades break down. All of your homework assignments will be averaged together and count as much as a unit exam grade will count. Your final exam will count as 2 unit exams, so the class will be out of 700 points. In order to pass this course, because this is a pass-fail class, you need to have a final average of 80% or higher, and you can move on to your next math class. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to say right now on this video. As we get closer to the start date of this course, I'll be sending you more information, but please go ahead and take a look at the syllabus that I've provided for you and let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you and have a great day.